Hola, ¿cómo están? Soy María, tu profe y guía in the una Spanish school, the school that teaches you the local way of speaking Latin American Spanish. I'm Colombian, so this is why I'm going to teach you easy 4 sentences that you can use to introduce yourself. So let's forget a little about the grammar, about the complicated things. Let's just listen and repeat, okay? Let's go with the number 1 that you say to everybody. Hola. Hola. Yeah. I don't want any mistakes like hola. Oh gosh, my glasses. Hola. Recuerda, es hola. H has no sound. Hola. Yeah, your turn. Go ahead. Perfect. Such a good student. Number 2. Hola. Soy María. Soy María. ¿Y tú? So, this is your time to introduce yourself. You have to say the same thing. Soy, your name. ¿Y tú? And you. Hola, soy María. ¿Y tú? Yes. Louder. Love it. Great pronunciation. You're so good. You're so good. I'm gonna cry. Okay, perfect. Let's keep going. So, that was the second one. Let's go with the thing that you would say when you're really glad to meet somebody. Mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. It means it's a pleasure. Long story short, it means that. It's a pleasure. Repeat. Mucho gusto. Louder. Lovely. You have a beautiful voice. Thank you. Okay. Let's go from the beginning, okay? Hola. Soy María. ¿Y tú? Yeah, this is the part when you answer. Mucho gusto. Next one. ¿De dónde eres? I like this one a lot. Remember, de dónde eres. Please never mix this. You said something like this last class, like ¿dónde estás? ¿Dónde ser? De dónde eres. When we ask for countries, eres is really important, please. Disclaimer. There are 2 ways of addressing, as in many other languages. We have a polite you and like a more friendly you. I'm using the more friendly you in this video. So if you want to learn in a more formal way or different ways, don't forget to click in the box in the description because we have a school that can lead you step by step on the process. So let's continue. So remember, de donde eres. So if I want to split this, it's going to be more like from where are you? ¿De dónde eres? Your answer, remember how to say I am? Correct. Soy. Like soy María. Soy de Colombia. This would be like soy, I am from de Colombia. So I think we have done a good job here. Let's just wrap all the conversation again, okay? Beautiful person, are you ready to shine, star? Let's go. Hola, soy María. ¿Y tú? Mucho gusto. ¿De dónde eres? Perfect. You're so beautiful, so intelligent. Let's change roles so we can just interact. You can, hopefully, during the lesson, you took notes of quickly how to say things. So your brain, little by little, will memorize how to say certain things, how to answer. I trust that you took some notes in this video, so let's go. Hola, soy María. Soy de Colombia. Okay, that was everything. So basically after what, like 4 or 5 minutes, you learn how to introduce yourself. You can go, and if you're the single guy, try to pick up some girls in the street saying these kind of things. Just kidding, that's harassment. But if you are, gosh, I should cut this from the video. But if you, I don't know, are a great person, you can just go to your Latin neighborhood and exchange some questions with people who speak Spanish. Put yourself into the test. Don't be ashamed of trying. Don't be shy. Latino people love when people learn the language, so we will be more than happy to help you and to reply to you. So this is it for now. I send you a lot of good vibes, and I hope to see you in the Una Spanish School. Please, don't make me sad. Just click there, okay? Look how my manicure is so flawless.